Hi, welcome to this video. Well, lately I've been fascinated with Vim, and so I just wanted to, I had a very nice Windows theme using Windows Vim theme using gruvbox, and now I just want to do it for Arch Linux as well, or rather Manjaro Linux. So for Manjaro Linux, installing all these Vim themes are pretty straightforward. Okay, so what we need here, okay, besides installing NERDTree, okay, I already installed NERDTree. Yeah, I already installed Vim NERDTree. It will help us to do NERDTree there. And next thing to do is just look for gruvbox git. Okay, gruvbox. Let's take a look. The one you look for is Vim gruvbox git. Okay, Vim gruvbox git. This is the right one. Okay. So just to check whether it's the correct one, you can go to the GitHub wiki for the gruvbox here. You go here, you'll see that this is the Vim gruvbox git. Who's the author? Airblader. Okay, so make sure it's the one by Airblader. Okay, the way you can usually look at Arch user repository is just look at the number of votes that this package has. All right. Look at the number of votes, and if you generally the most popular ones, if you have lots of votes, the more votes, the more popular it is, the safer it is. Okay, so just download this gruvbox. And the second thing, of course, is youcompleteme. Okay, this is IntelliSense for Vim. Okay, it's not strictly IntelliSense as someone on Stack Overflow. It says IntelliSense is strictly for Visual Studio, but this is more like code completion. So IntelliSense is more like Microsoft stuff. So, okay, you'll just do youcompleteme. You'll build this, and thankfully Manjaro makes it so easy to install this. Okay, in Arch Linux, I suppose you are supposed to use AUR helper like Yay or something like that. I don't even know. Or you do it the normal Pacman way, but over here, yeah, Manjaro does it all for you in pamac. So that's a very convenient thing if you don't want to deal with all these things yourself, the building of packages and stuff, right? So yeah, so that is that. Okay, so we'll let the thing install a little bit for now. Okay. Then I'll show you what my vimrc setup looks like now. Okay, set mouse minus equals a, syntax on, file type indent on, file type plugin indent on. Relative number and number are both set, as you can see. Okay, nowrap. Okay. Tabstop and shiftwidth equals 4. Okay, so yeah, of course I have not done the NERDTree thing yet, so I want to add a little bit of things for NERDTree so that NERDTree always starts when we start up Vim. Okay, the ones are quite simple. Okay, copy this line. It says what? Start NERDTree and put the cursor back in the other window. Autocmd VimEnter start NERDTree win command P. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to insert. Go into insert mode and Ctrl Shift V here. Okay, make sure your auto command is before the Make sure the auto command is before the vsplit and the terminal. So it looks like I've closed most of my tabs by accident. Save this. Alright, but okay. Yeah, but most of the things there, yeah, NERDTree. So yeah, so this is where you kind of copy and paste, start NERDTree, and put the cursor back in the other window. Okay, put the cursor back in the other window. So this is how you start NERDTree. Okay, that's the second simplest thing. Okay, because I want my cursor to be inside one of these windows. Alright, I will save and quit, exit. Okay, and you try looking at vimrc again, and you take a look. NERDTree is right here, along with the terminal. So I have this done right before. Okay, so as you can see now, most of everything's done. So youcompleteme is already installed. So by now, if I type something, I should have this auto completion. Okay, so down, I insert terminal. Yep, see, everything auto completes now. See? So auto completion works in insert mode. So tabstop, and I can go Control N. Okay, Control N and space to keep typing. So Control N or Control P, tabstop, Control P. Okay, or you can put a no something, or file type, or a autocommand, whatever. Okay, so all of this is there. Just use your Control N and Control P as per normal to select from a long list. If you have a long list of commands like terminal, ter, then you can use Control N to select what you want, Control N to go down, Control P to go up. Once you're done, just press space and yeah, it's done. Okay, this is youcompleteme. It's very nice add-on for Vim. So now let's make it have nice color theming. So the first thing you do, of course, is use color scheme gruvbox. Okay, save, quit all, and let's start vimrc again. You're like, oh no, what is this? Okay, so this is actually, I think, one of the light themes for gruvbox. Okay, next thing you need to do is just to put set background equals to dark. Save and quit all. Open it up, and there you go. Very nice themes. So this is my Vim setup in Manjaro. As you can see, the pamac actually makes it very easy to deal with all the dependencies needed. Just one-click install for gruvbox, one-click install for the youcompleteme, and you're all set to go. Okay, so this is my working environment. It's very pleasing to the eyes, in my opinion. Okay, you can turn on the brightness to max and it'll still be okay. Okay, so you put a split here. Yeah, and then navigate around. So it's Control W H to go left, Control W L to go right. So it's H, J, K, and L, except you use Control W to navigate with the windows. So it's very nice to play with. All right. So of course, put this in the description. Yeah, I'll put this in the description. What this setup is, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.